Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a hair video. Today I wanted to do something sleek, something simple, something easy. I wanted to give you guys something sleek without all of the baby hair and all of the fuss. I did install this beautiful unit from Yolissa Hair, and this is a glueless unit. I'm like, y'all, no glue? What? That's it. It's that quick, and I didn't tack it down with hairspray. I didn't do anything. It's just sitting up there, and the way it blends. This is why I wanted to do this unit with no baby hair, just so you guys can see. And as you can see, it's no glue. There's absolutely no glue, and it's still melted. Still melted. Do y'all see that? Still melted, and the quality of this hair, so silky. So if you're looking for that sleek, simple, easy to do look, this wig is gonna be for you. If you guys are interested in seeing how I installed and styled this unit, keep on watching. So we are about to install our unit from Yolissa Hair, and it comes in a nice box like this. I would suggest keeping the boxes. They make really good little storage boxes for your unit. On the inside of the box, we have our unit, and then inside we have some goodies. It looks like we have a little head scarf. We have an edge brush. We also have a wig cap. Some cute lashes in here. A elastic band. A little satin baggie as well. This can be used as storage for your unit also, okay? And here is our unit. It is a 250 density. It's a cap size medium. It's 24 inches. Ooh, it's so thick and pretty. This is a very pretty unit, y'all. Wow. Okay, here's the inside. Okay, it comes with an removable elastic strap. Comes with combs in there, adjustable bands. I like to take this out because I never use the strap because I have a wig grip cap, and that helps keep my unit secure. And I always have to cut off the clips. I don't leave these on my units because I usually wear my units with braids, and I don't need extra security. And you just want to basically take a scissor into the threading and just cut it off. So I cut those combs out and took out the elastic band. This is how my wig is gonna look before I go ahead and put it on my head. I wanna show you guys, look how flawless that lace looks. The lace looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. It fits my head so comfortable. So this is how the lace is looking. I am gonna go in and pluck it just a little. It's already pre-plucked, but I'm gonna do a little bit more, just a little bit. So when you're cutting your lace, you want to make sure you go in a back and forth pattern. You do not want to cut your lace straight across, because when you cut your lace straight across, it honestly creates this line of demarcation, and nobody wants that. We want a seamless, undetectable lace. And I'm gonna pluck this a little bit more just to open it up right here. And you really don't have to do this, you guys. I'm just plucking a little bit more because I'm extra. And when I wear my wigs, I just really, they have to look natural. Really, really natural. And I'm gonna, like I said, do this with no baby hair. So everything really needs to be laying, okay? And I'm just plucking a little bit of hair out. Nothing too crazy because like I said, it is already pre-plucked. Look how it's melted, you guys, and I didn't even do anything yet. I didn't put any tint or anything on it yet, but I do need to put just a little bit of tint on it just so it's totally melted. I'm gonna take a little bit of wax and just put it up here because I'm gonna go through and just press everything out so it's nice and flat to the head. Yeah, it's really important to make sure you get these bumps off of your wig because that's what's gonna make your wig look crazy. I have to make sure all of those, ooh, that look good. Okay, you guys, so everything is nice and smooth. I'm gonna take my lace tint and just spray a little. I'm putting it on my finger and then dabbing it. The unit matches pretty well. The lace is a little light, so I'm just dabbing that in so everything will be nice and blended. And I'm gonna spray it up here. Then I'm just gonna take my dryer and dry everything down. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna hit it with my hot comb one more time. I'm gonna take my flat irons and just go through and make sure everything is silky straight. This is just gonna be a sleek middle part bust down. The hair really feels so soft. This is my razor comb. I'm just gonna put a few like face framing layers in it. Okay, you guys, so we are done installing our unit and it's so cute. I didn't think I would like it without baby hair, but because it's so undetectable and it just looks flawless, I love it. I didn't have to glue it down. I didn't have to use hairspray. This is just the unit, okay? This is some of the softest hair that I've ever had on a pre-made unit. This hair is very, very soft. It feels very luxurious. And I really like that the unit came in a jet black color. It's like a true, like, #1. The comb just slides through this hair like butter. Wow. So easy to install, you guys. I love it. I love it. This is definitely one of the units that you need to have in your collection. If you are interested in this unit, links and details will be listed below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one.